Our one glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, with a length of 24.5 inches. A depth of 23 inches. And the overall height with caster wheels. We have a height of 78 inches tall. Included are 4 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference, and measurements for each shelf will include 20 inches in length, by 16.5 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator will include 21 inches in length, by 17 inches in depth. 17 inches depth applies for the back wall towards the front before the LED strip. And the interior height, we have 51.25 inches tall. 51.25 inches applies from the bottom towards the top door frame. Located on the top left corner will be the ETL NSF certification. And coming to the bottom will be the power and light switch along with the temperature control. This refrigerator uses a 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.